Smash that like button.
Hello everyone, follow me and make a friend who understands English. Let's start. Drizzle. Light rain. A light drizzle brought some relief to the summer heat. Sun-kissed. Gently touched by the sun, glowing. She had a sun-kissed glow after her beach trip. Mosquitoes. Small insects that bite, often found in humid areas. We used repellent to keep the mosquitoes away. Frizzy, puffy, unruly hair caused by humidity. My hair gets frizzy every summer. Rash. Skin irritation, often due to heat. He got a heat rash from playing outside too long. Sunshades. Something that blocks the sun, like an umbrella or visor. We sat under a sunshade and drank cold lemonade. Grill. To cook food over open flame, also the device used. We grilled corn and paneer at the picnic. Meltdown. Emotional breakdown or extreme heat causing things to melt. My ice cream had a total meltdown in 3 minutes. Tan lines. Marks left on skin from sun exposure. He had funny tan lines from his sandals. Splash. A burst of water, fun in the pool. The kids made a big splash jumping into the water. Hydrate. To drink enough water to stay healthy. Don't forget to hydrate after your morning jog. Chill. To relax or cool down. We're just chilling with some music and cold drinks. Heat stroke. A dangerous condition caused by overheating. She was hospitalized due to heat stroke. Skincare. Routine to protect or improve your skin. Summer skincare includes sunscreen and aloe vera.
Don't forget to subscribe.